Hi, my name is Bernard. My company is called Rough Diamond. What I do is help you turn your existing customer base into your sales force using my three-step formula. What I always say, why pay for sales force when you can get for free? I'm here with the lovely Sarah Gashi, and what she's going to do is talk about her business, about mortgage protection, and all financial things regarding mortgages and the protection of your life and life assurance. And I will tell you one thing now about her. She's absolutely amazing at what she does because she got me a policy that no other broker could actually get me. What I'm going to do is introduce you to Sarah, and thank you very much for your time, Sarah, for joining me today. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Afternoon. My name's Sarah Gashi. I'm an insurance advisor and broker specializing in life insurance, critical illness cover, income protection, mortgage protection, and accident and injury cover. In a nutshell, my job is to find the best possible policy for the customer. So rather than me being the face of the insurance companies, I represent the customer and get the best out of the insurance companies on the customer's behalf.
Fantastic. You know what? I've known Sarah now 3 or 4 months now. I met her in my own networking organization called Foreign Networking. You can look us up online as well. You can see us there. What I like to find out about from yourself is I bet you've come across some interesting stories over your time. Well, I don't want to put you on the spot, but just can you give us a couple of interesting stories that you come across? You don't need to give no names or anything. That'd be great.
Um, got to try to think how to anonymize them. I've had a few amazing stories of people who had, when they first spoke to me, they were under the impression that they couldn't get insurance. And then that turned out to not be the case. Actually, they could get insurance. So those are my favorite stories. A lot of the times they've been led to believe that it's not possible to get the insurance that they wanted or needed. Um, Basically because it would involve quite a bit of hoop jumping. It may be necessary for a nurse to come out and visit them, for example, for the insurance company to write to their doctor and get a GP report in support of the application. It might even be necessary in some cases for them to provide extra medical evidence, like a blood test or two, that sort of thing. And some um, some brokers may shy away from a case that's going to involve a lot more work than it would involve to arrange the same policy for an especially healthy person, which, would take 10 minutes on the phone. But I just really strongly think that everybody deserves to be able to get the best insurance that they can get. And the service that an advisor provides is to find out for you, the customer, what's the best policy that you could possibly get. And everyone deserves that same service from the advisor, even if the end result is that you possibly couldn't get what you wanted. Obviously, that does sometimes happen as well. When an advisor's done their job properly, at least you can know that there was no stone left unturned, sorry. And that if it could have been had, they would have found it for you. Most of the time, people who think that they can't get cover actually can get cover.
That's very, very true. I can tell you something about Sarah. It's attention to detail that she pays in. You listens to what you say, puts it all together. And I had told her about my diabetes type 2. Most brokers won't exactly will give me insurance or life insurance on myself because of because of the illness that I actually got. And actually, Sarah got an actually excellent quotation from her, and she actually got it right for me in terms of it, and within my price bracket that I can actually afford. Because most insurers out there, what they do is, as you know, Sarah, they'll bump up the price when they find out you got certain illnesses. It's within your life. What I'm going to ask Sarah is now is, what is the importance of customer services within your industry?
I mean, my role is a customer service role, even though it's a regulated by the FCA and it's a financial advice role. It's a customer facing role, and the whole job is the interaction with a customer or with a potential customer. The importance of both understanding them and making them feel understood just can't be underestimated. Um, I think that ultimately the product, because I'm a broker, like I'm the third party middlewoman. The actual policy that I arrange for somebody could have been arranged by anyone who does my job. And I think that my clients choose me to do it for them because I do a good job of listening. I make them feel heard, and they have confidence, as they should, I think, that I've found the best possible policy for them. So the customer service aspect that I bring is the reason that they might go through me to buy a policy when they actually probably could buy the same policy through anybody else. So the customer service is the reason for choosing the advisor, basically.
That's very true. And Sarah is very, very good at what she does in terms of it. She looks at all the ins and outs and gets you the best policy. And what it is that it's always about building relationships but with customers and getting to know them on a personal level, not just on the business side of it as well. And she takes that care and attention what she does, due care and attention in what she actually does for yourself. Sarah, thank you very much for your time. Much appreciated. If you want to reach out to us, you can reach us out in the LinkedIn at any of us, either myself, Permjit, or either Sarah at any time. What I will do is I'll most probably drop a link into the actual comment section. So you can actually click a link. If you want to connect with them, you're quite welcome to do so. Thank you very much for your time, Sarah. Much appreciated. And enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks so much,
Marianne,
Permjit. Nice to see you. Take care.
you're welcome.